Hello everyone, welcome to Beaver's Hobby channel. In this video, we're gonna take a look at the Hot RC F11 Gyro. First of all, thank you very much everyone who suggested this to me. This is a sub $20 gyro with endpoint adjustment. The name is Hot RC. I got it from AliExpress. I just type in Hot RC Gyro and this one is going to come up. So this is how you find it. This is the package. It comes in a plastic box like this, which is really nice. Here's what's inside. First, we have the gyro, which is a good size for micro drift car. And you can see it has the EPA setting button and 3 dials, PCA, AGS and gain. So we're gonna see what these two are later. So in here we have the double-sided tape. Next we have the mini screwdriver, so we can use this to adjust the dials. And then we have the wires. First we have the JST-ZH plug, which is the standard plug for micro cars. And then we have the JR plug. So this one goes into the gyro, and this one is to convert your standard plug to JST-ZH plug. And next we have the manual. So here's the English manual. I'm gonna scan this and put it in the description so you can download it if you don't have it. And this is everything that came in the box. Here's how to put it on the car. First, you'll need a double-sided tape. You can use the one supplied in the box, but I'll use my own one as per usual, because I can cut it to size and put it somewhere safe, with minimal vibration. Which is right here on my car. And next, you're gonna have to connect this to your receiver. You use the plug with 4 pins. It goes in here to the top, and then the plug with 3 wires goes to channel 1. And the plug with 1 wire goes to channel 3 or a VR channel. And if your servo comes with a JR plug like this, you are going to need the converter. And if you look closer in the plug, you are going to see the notch. This notch indicates the signal side. So, the signal side is usually with the white or yellow wire. So, the notch goes to the white wire. Like this. Again, the notch is the same side as the white wire. Like that. And then we can plug it to the gyro. Just like that, and it is ready to use. Here's how to set the EPA. First, you need to set it on your transmitter. Once you have done that, you go to the car, turn it on. And then you are going to see it working. So, to set the EPA, hold the button for 2 seconds. Until it blinks. You turn left first. And press the button. Now turn right and press the button again. And then let go of the transmitter, and it is done. You have set the EPA. If you want to change the gyro direction, short press the set button. Now it is reverse. And it is wrong. This is wrong. It has to counter steer. So, short press or click the button once to reverse the gyro. Just like that. And it is now correct. See, this is the correct gyro direction. It has to counter steer. So, if you swing right, it has to turn right. And if you swing left, it has to turn left. Like this. The gyro gain is on VR channel, or I set my transmitter to channel 3. When it is at the center, the gain is off, and you can turn it to either side. It is the same. So whether you go to the positive side or negative side, you'll get the same gain and no other function. Let's take a look at the dials. First, we have the PCA, which is the priority control adjustment between the steering input and the gyro correction. Please look at my hand and the front wheels. At the lowest setting, it prioritizes the input. You can see that I can steer all the way even when the car is swinging. And at the highest setting, it prioritizes the gyro. And you can see that even though I go all the way, I can only steer to the midpoint. Next, AGS is the anti-glitch system that stabilizes the wheel shake. It is a little bit difficult to show on the video, but I can feel that it delays the response. And when you turn it up a lot, it ends up destabilizing the car. And when you drift, it goes all over the place. The gyro gain dial only works if you don't connect the channel 3 or VR channel. Otherwise, this will be controlled from the transmitter. My preferred setup of the PCA is a quarter turn down from the highest setting. And on the AGS is the opposite. It is a quarter turn up from the lowest setting. Let's take it out for a drift. The steering curve response feels the same as the DumboRC G01, so it is not very good for the direct steering system, and it is alright for the rail system. Well, it is drivable, but I'm very nervous comparing to the better gyros. Anyway, for $20, it is the best gyro at this price point. But if you can spend more, I highly recommend you get a better one like AFRC V4, GT55 V4 or DriftArt V5. And it is going to give you much more pleasant driving experience. And that's it for this video. Thanks for watching and see you again next time.